Tesla ramps production of its new models at Giga, Texas. Tesla is ramping up production of its new Model Y Standard at Gigafactory Texas, just over a week after it first announced the vehicle on October 7th. Earlier this month, Tesla launched the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y Standard, their release of what it calls its affordable models. They are priced under $40,000, and although there was some noise surrounding the skepticism that they're actually affordable, it appears things have been moving in the right direction. The vehicles are being built at Tesla Gigafactory Texas in Austin, and there are plenty of units being built at the factory. Based on a recent flyover by drone operator and plant observer Joey Klender News, the Tesla Model Y Standard production is well underway at Giga, Texas today. This consistent with what I was told to expect during the unveiling day last week. The outbound lot had many premium Model Ys and Cybertruck too. The new standard Tesla models are technically the company's response to losing the $7,500 EV tax credit, which significantly impacts any company manufacturing electric vehicles. However, it seems the loss of the credit is impacting others much more than it is Tesla, as General Motors and Ford are scaling back their EV efforts because it is beginning to hurt their checkbooks. Tesla is moving forward with its roadmap to catalyze annual growth from a delivery perspective. While GM, Ford, and Stellantis are all known for their vehicles, Tesla is known for its prowess as a car company, an AI company, and a robotics entity. Elon Musk was right all along about Tesla's rivals and EV subsidies. Tesla should have other vehicles coming in the next few years, especially as the Cybercab is evidently moving along with its preliminary processes, like crash testing and overall operational assessment. It has been spotted at the Fremont factory several times over the past couple of weeks, hinting that the vehicle could begin production sometime next year. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.